Everyone, here is the new lead code problem of the day, which name is majority element lead code 169 problem. So let's read the problem statement. Given an array of nums of size n, return the majority element. So the majority element in the element that appears more than n by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. Okay. So let's take an example. Here the num size is 3 and 3 is repeating 2 times. If 3 by 2, num size is 3. Here n by 2, if we find the n by 2, then 3 by 2 will be 1 and the count of 3 is 2. So count of 3 is greater than n by 2, so 3 will be our answer. Here the num size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 2, which is 3. So here the count of 1 is four, count of 1 is 3 and count of 2 is 4. 4 is greater than n by 2, so our answer will be 2. So let's see the approach for this. If we have given this array, then what we have to do is we have to find n by 2, because if my number is greater, if my count of the frequency is greater than n by 2, so that will be our answer. So what I will do is I will create an order map and I will store all the frequencies of each number in an ordered map. Then I will see if the frequency of the particular number is greater than n by 2, so that will be our answer. So here 1 is coming 2 times, 2 is coming 3 times, and 3 is coming 3 times, and 4 is coming 9 times. And the number of elements, which is n by 2, means count. If my count, I'm telling it to count if my frequency of a character number is greater than n by 2, then that will be our answer. So n by 2 is here, n by 2 is 8. And as you can see, the frequency of 4 is 9, which is greater than 8. So 4 will be our answer. So let's do the code for this. Yes. So firstly, what I will do is I will create initialize the nums dot size. I will initialize a size. Now what I will do is I will create an order map of int comma int type, which name is MP. Now I will store the frequencies of each character, each integer, sorry, in an order map. So for int I equals to 0 to I less than n, then I plus plus, and map of mm, nums of I plus plus. Now I have stored the frequencies of each number in a map. Now what I will do, I will traverse the map. So for auto IT belongs to map. Now I'll check if, so firstly find int count, which is n by 2. If my number, if my frequency of a number is greater than this count, which is n by 2, then that will be our answer. If my if IT dot second, which is frequency, is greater than count, in this case what I will do, I will return IT dot first. Otherwise I will return -1. Why I am returning -1? Because here, as you can see, you may assume that majority element always exists in the array. If the majority element always exists, so our answer will be definitely IT dot first, not -1. So that's why I'm returning -1, because it will not impact on the answer. So let's run this. Here it should be semicolon. It is working perfect. Let's submit this code. It is working perfect. Now let's discuss about time and space complexity for this solution. So as you can see, here we are traversing the whole array. So the time complexity will be go of n. and space complexity in Bosch case will be big open, because if each character is each number is coming one time only, so we have to store all the frequency of the number, so it will be big open, and the time complexity also will be big open. So this was the complete solution. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe.